Hey, so in today's video, we're actually gonna try starting this up for the first time, so come along. Yeah, so I got a couple little things to do. I gotta put some oil in it, some transmission fluid, some diff fluid. I gotta finish welding up the exhaust. I gotta do a little bit of wiring yet. It's mostly just hooking up the starter and hooking up the holley. And then after that, we should be good to at least fire it up. Now, I know there's no radiator in or anything. I'm not gonna run it a long time, maybe a minute or two just to see how well she runs and everything. But if that all goes well, then I can actually start like buttoning some things up because like the coils are just kind of sitting in here, so we need to make a bracket for them. Tightening up some of the wiring, doing some stuff like that, getting the radiator obviously in it. But if all goes well today, I'm hoping to be able to drive it like Monday. Today's Friday. Yeah, it's probably a little bit of a stretch, but we might as well try, right? So I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse. Then let's go. Yeah, so we got the exhaust all welded up. I'm gonna throw the wideband in that one over there real quick. And then I'm gonna hook up the starter without the holley hooked up, and I'm just gonna wing it over a few times, make sure we got no oil leaks, make sure we got oil pressure. Once all that goes though, I'm gonna hook up the holley and maybe see if we can start this. That'd be pretty cool. Wish me luck. All right, let's hook up the battery here real quick and see if we can get it to turn over. All right, here we go. All right. Well, we got her cranking. Don't really see any oil or anything. Yeah, right. So we're gonna try starting it here.
There's an initial start one. They have to go to monitor.
the back of the heads, and then I've got the other one like right off the front of the cylinder head to the frame.
Yeah, we need to go to the. You're not getting a very good connection between.
This sounds pretty easier too, actually. Just some stuff up.
Fucking impact or something for this?
What?
Impact or something for this?
Yeah, I'm not in that. All my keys are not here. Yep. And then the bit should be in that box.
Okay.
Right?
Oh, that buildup. What was this Honda battery over here?
That's the one I use for Eric's testing, but that's probably got like fucking like 30 cranking amps. You know?
For what? Oh, 460.
We can try it. Yeah, it goes to 6 too.
Surprised it's probably this like stayed out at 60 volts. So close.
Yeah. Damn. Battery's too dead, so I might go get a new battery and try again here in a little bit. Yeah, so I tried starting this 2 weeks ago. Ran into quite a few different things. Found out my push rods were entirely too long, so we're gonna try putting some new push rods in. First thing we're gonna do though is I got a kit to actually prime it, so we're gonna run oil through the priming system, prime it all up with oil pressure. Put the new push rods in, put the coils back in, do all that kind of stuff, see if it fires. If it fires up, awesome. We'll let it run for, I don't know, 30 seconds to a minute because there's no radiator or anything like that. Once that's all done, what we'll do is we'll end up taking the exhaust off because we got to mount the coils. We got to finish welding the engine mounts. We got to put the radiator in. There's a lot of little stuff to go along with it. But for all intents and purposes, I can probably drive this in a day or two if everything goes good tonight. So yeah, let's get started with some things here. Yeah, this is it. Well, we got everything kind of hooked up again. Don't have the serpentine belt around or anything like that, so we're gonna try winging it over and I guess see if it starts. Fingers crossed.
Yeah. If it doesn't start, we're leaving.
Yep. Fuck it. Fuck this car.
Drag it outside and burn it.
Ready?
Yep. That cycled faster.
Right?
Yep. Yes. Badass.
Right? There you go.
Oh boy.
Any fluids on the ground?
No.
Alright, Jason, come over here real quick.
Yeah, and
Yep.
over by where
No,
you're
no,
at.
on the other side, sorry, bud.
Yeah.
Just when it kind of starts to stall, just kind of give it a little bit of gas, okay?
Okay.
Just when it starts to die. Well, there it was. We had to give it a little bit of extra juice because the battery was pretty dead, but it fired up. I definitely need to bump the idle RPM up a little bit. The big cam was it was struggling to idle. Not a big deal, but yeah, I'm excited. What about you, Jason?
Totally excited, man. Finally got the thing to go. Now we don't have to burn it.
Yeah, it was getting pretty touch and go there for a second, but that is where I'm going to finish this video. We're going to keep working. We got a lot of little stuff to do here tonight. What was I going to say? I was going to say something.
I don't know, just keep watching because we've got more things to do to get this thing rolling down the road.
Yeah, what he said. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that kind of stuff, and we'll see you guys next time.